Braylen attacking his first Easter basket. What you got?
What is that?
What you got in there?
Get it, son.
Say, Daddy, open it up.
Let's see what we got in here. What's that? What's this?
He says, I want my boat.
Oh, is that a ball? Is that another ball? Look.
Things are becoming increasingly more tense between Amanda, Lindsay, and myself. Lindsay has no interest in working.
He says, that's what I want.
Hang out with us.
Thank you.
You can have fun with that in bath time. Look at this.
Something within.
It's how I always feel around this. So I'm always like,